Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Coder Squad, your go-to destination for unraveling programming mysteries. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of Java to explore why it's hailed as platform independent. Java has earned a reputation for its platform independence, but what does that really mean? Today, we're going to unpack this concept and discover why Java stands out in the realm of programming languages. First things first, let's define what platform independence means in the context of Java. A platform-independent language is one that can run on any platform without requiring recompilation. So, how does Java achieve this remarkable feat? The magic lies in the Java Virtual Machine (JVM) and the bytecode. 1. Java Virtual Machine (JVM). The JVM acts as a virtual processor that interprets Java bytecode and executes it on any platform that has a compatible JVM installed. 2. Bytecode. Java source code is compiled into platform-independent bytecode, which is then interpreted by the JVM. This bytecode is the same regardless of the underlying hardware or operating system. Java's platform independence offers several advantages, making it a preferred choice for developers and organizations worldwide. 1. Write once, run anywhere. WORA developers can write Java code once and run it on any platform that supports Java, eliminating the need to rewrite code for different environments. 2. Reduced deployment complexity. With Java's platform independence, deployment becomes simpler as the same bytecode can be deployed across diverse systems without modification. Increased portability. Java applications can be easily ported from one platform to another, allowing for seamless migration and scalability. And there you have it, the reason why Java is hailed as platform independent. By leveraging the power of the JVM and bytecode, Java has revolutionized the way software is developed, deployed, and maintained. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!